got this one.
Caster. Breton.
Click mock.
Cleared mocked.
Yep. I'm getting blocked.
Oh, Svea missed.
Missing.
Pesa marre.
The circus running. It's fine. Okay, get this troll. Pushing on the
Big
3
damage
guys
Svea.
here.
Big damage Svea.
Can't hear. Curing.
My pet is on the bard. Or one bard, they have 2 bards. Kill this guy on me, stunning. Kill the beat up.
Routine bard.
514 claw. Nice. Okay, pushing on the northeast side. Watch northeast. That's the hunter that fucked us yesterday, by the way. Dana.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I remember.
Ah, yeah, against Daiso, right?
I remember. Fucking painful experience. Yeah, left to right. There's a lot there. Go along the border.
Yeah, assist. I'm missed damage.
It's missing. Yeah.
Kelt,
Good missing.
Saracen. Never mind, running away.
What's the
Inconu, that is target.
Right,
Missing.
fine. Get this frost off. He's,
Okay, behind us,
Svea
scout.
missed.
Never mind, he's running away. Kelt.
Missing.
Do you know if effectiveness debuff works on heals as well?
Dex
Assist.
quick on Bard, please.
Legs. Debuff legs.
New target. Behind us.
Yeah.
Not many.
We pushing or well, kill this guy behind.
This
I'm pushing
guy
us, eh?
is...
We need help behind,
I'm coming back.
Break
Dex
this cell,
quick on
guys.
Bard, please.
Bard. Beat up. Roll.
Fine, we can push them.
The bar.
Okay, he's missed. Mama, can you give me Dex quick, please?
Lori.
On Bard. Thank you.
Hunter behind.
Maybe we can just leave them here, message for 2 minutes, eh?
Okay. Let's go. We're gonna go south, east along the border. This kobold sounds juicy. And of course,
Oh, Svea
PBT.
missed.
There's a group coming behind.
Elk group behind.
Okay, turn.
Behind the hill.
Okay.
Trolling us. He's out of heal range, 100%. Sir. I missed.
Pesa marre.
Okay,
Because we
so
need
us
to-
is
yeah.
up here.
Okay.
Get
Kill Lana.
Go west. Go west,
Sundown.
Go west, guys.
Curing.
Go west.
It's gonna be
What?
beat up, okay? On Marne.
Disengage,
Beat up on
disengage,
Marne.
Yeah, disengage.
3, 2, 1. Debuffing.
Okay.
He missing.
The bump next.
Oh,
Okay,
one
push
more
on the
point.
beast. Okay, never mind.
Oh.
Turn.
Behind
Turn.
us.
Oh, it's the.
North. Debuff in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, was so low. Rooting the scout on me. Kill the troll. My target can be rooted.
It's
You can
like
take it.
5.
Wait, do we have sauce?
No,
Oh,
it's
we did-
just down.
we did-
Stunned.
Kill the balcony, guys. I mean the skull. The dwarf. My pet is on that healer.
On your side.
I'm
I will
here.
quick cast debuff, Charmy.
Occult is
I'm
Adi.
gonna
Cast debuff
ST.
now.
ST on you.
Mess.
Gonna DMS.
I'm getting big
Oh,
heals.
Occult is pet on me.
Someone has cloak. Cloak.
Head messed.
Looking.
The dwarf is so low, guys.
Oh my god. I'm done.
I'm debuffing him, Penny. 3, 2, 1. Never mind.
Messing Valk.
I got
Valk
two
messed.
tanks on me.
No heals. Stromarer.
Got him.
I'm snaring the.
Come on to death. No.
Okay.
It's the buff, Charmy. Come on.
Oh no.
I'm rooting the salmon.
Oh my god.
I'm kiting west now. The healers are just on us. Oh my god, this guy has been sticking me forever! Holy shit! He was so close
Demessing.
to die twice.
The Berserker is charging again.
On charge 5. Yeah. KothPug.
Okay.
Yeah. Last train. I can't. 2 more points. You ready?
Yep.
Bolting fleet 2, 1. Okay. Get these guys, I guess.
This guy fucking added on us. I was like, why is my casting speed so slow? And I was buffing my pet like all the time. Yeah.
In pet.
Rudy. Kelt. There is 2 guys fighting on top.
Okay, we're gonna go northwest. Or
People coming up.
it's over.
The troll. There is people where we came from. Careful.
Is Alf Warrior.
And Saracen up the hill to the southeast.
Argur. Is he dead, the Saracen?
I don't know.
There's a spirit mass over there.
Gonna be SM.
Went boom boom.
Norse.
There's some guy suiciding here. Oh, it's Loney.
I got the birds, guys.
Yeah, the love for cock is strong. Okay. Think there's still people here. Oh, I see some. Oh, I've. Okay, we got it. Got it. Let's go. Bombard.
Big fight to the right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Target is gonna be in Konu, okay?
Yeah.
Left to right.
Okay, I'm going up. Saracen. In Konu. Saracen.
I got it.
Triton.
Get closer.
Highlander. Briton up there.
There's some other mid down there
Yeah, that's the tanker.
below the cocks. This orange guy is always solo, man.
I don't think it's the same Highlander.
Maybe. I found my Q-bind. I don't know, I think they should rework Vamp that should generate power just from melee attacks and more power, not from magic attack. Because right now, when you have power and you spam claw, you get even more power.
You get more power than the one you use for the claw.
If you melee as well, yes. Kind of, yeah. Close to.